This is known as an ash vacuum. Let's open it up, show you what we get inside. We have here on the table everything you need to get started with. The product user manual. It's a BJ131 1200 watt 20 liter ash vacuum. We got caster wheels. You're going to turn the unit upside down, but before you do anything, make sure the inside is empty. You're going to snap on the wheels. You're going to snap on the wheels. They're very simple to do. You get this filter protector that goes into the vacuum cleaner. Get your lid that's going to go over the canister. And you got clips that's going to lock it down. We have a hose that you can put the, it's going to twist and lock counterclockwise to lock in. And then you have your bottom base that's going to suck up the dirt. Remove the handle to put in the middle bar. And then you have this adapter that you slip on over. And then you can rotate the brush so you could clean. Top of the machine would be the exhaust, and if you ever need to reverse and blow, you put the pipe on like so, and there you go. If you need to put the tubes on to stand, there are areas all over so you can do so. We put the small accessory on one area, and we put the other accessory on the other area where it's meant to go. And make sure you put them on the right way. There is a handle that you can grab in case you need to lift, and the on and off switch is located right here with a long enough cord. Shop vacs. We could do a lot with them. We could hook it up to our woodworking unit, table saws. We could hook it up to an area where we need to clean our, laundry out, the dryer vent. And that's what we're going to go do and show you a brief detail how to get the chute clean. We're going to turn it on so you can hear the noise of the vacuum. We're going to take our vent cover off. We're going to need to clean. Give you an idea of the dirt that this thing pulls up. Nice and clean. But when we open it up, there's all that dirt. So it did clean a very nice job. We're going to show you a little trick cleaning things out. We have a tube that attached to the vacuum cleaner, like we were talking about woodworking and so forth. There's a lot you can do with an ash vac, a shop vacuum cleaner. And I hope you enjoy yours if this is the one right for you. It's portable, it's lightweight, it's got hoses that you can clean anywhere imaginable. I hope this vacuum is something that you're looking for your needs. Enjoy your ash vac. Hope you enjoy your product.